Child's drone. What we did today is we presented the Sheriff's Department and the bomb squad with a drone that they can use for their operations. The Phantom 3 drone, and we did fundraising in order to purchase it for them because we saw that drone technology would really benefit their department a lot.
We believe in drone technology, and we think it could help with your with your team and with the different stuff that you guys do around here.
I agree. Yeah.
So we are proud to present this drone to you guys, and we may be able to think it may help you guys in your department. So.
Well, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. And congratulations on your accomplishment.
Thank you.
It's awesome.
We are a robotics team based out of Montverde Academy. We are team 2022A.
We most recently presented this at the state championship and actually won. So we are going to the world championship, and wish us luck.
We started our project focusing on the ethics of robotics, and so they offered to do a bomb squad demo for us and show off the Andros robot that they use to investigate suspicious packages. And so we came out there and saw that, and they talked with us about how we'd done work with drones in the past.
And we thought that drones could be a really great and helpful tool within the community and helping with bomb squads and things like that.
And so we really thought this was interesting. We continued researching, we did an experiment, and we found that this drone really would help them out a lot.
So after that, we created a fundraiser and actually gave it to the Sheriff's Department.
It's better to have it down like this so that you can see exactly what's under you.
Okay. So I can email it straight to somebody else that has an iPhone, maybe another member who's downrange or something like that somewhere else, and they can see what I see.
And we compared it with the times that you gave us for the Andros robot, and the drone was able to get off the ground and in the air in under 2 minutes.
It's actually going to be a very capable tool for us because we're going to be able to launch this thing within 5 minutes on a call out, be able to take it downrange, be able to see what we're dealing with. Our robot usually takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to get it up and running. This will actually be a great tool for us because we'll be able to look at the device a lot quicker than we would normally. So it's going to be an asset to our team.
The GPS will do most of the work, but if you want to turn the camera like that, yeah.
You didn't imagine that when you joined the bomb squad that you'd one day be getting training from an 8th grader?
No, I did not. The 8th grader actually, they can work circles around some of us the way that they are with their STEM project. They actually brought a couple of their robots to a fundraiser that we attended, and seeing what they're actually building with the pieces is incredible.
We look forward to hearing how you use it. Hopefully it will be an asset to your team.
Well, we'll call you back for some more training. That's awesome. Thanks again very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank
Much
you.
appreciated.
That is awesome.
They're showing us the home.
No hands.
That's cool. That's pretty cool.
And that'll set it right down within a foot of where you took off. No hands.
All right.
Kudos to our students here at Montverde Academy Middle School, and kudos to the Sheriff's Office for all they do. And the two programs working together, it's a win-win situation for both organizations. Wonderful.
On behalf of the employees of the Lake County Sheriff's Office, our sincere thank you to Montverde Academy and the 8th grade robotics team. Your support for public safety means a lot to us. Thank you.